Okay, so I found this distributor on eBay for about $23 after tax. It's for my F22 B2. It's the one without the coil in it. And I got it because I was like, holy crap, they're like $150, $180 right now normally. So that was a steal, and I was like, even if I get it and it's just for the sensors in it, because my seal on mine that's in the bottom had ruptured and oil filled my distributor and was shorting out the sensors in it and gave me a code 9. So I went ahead and got this and was like, well, screw it, for $22 if I get it and it just has the sensors in it, I can use it. Everything's intact. This is a beautiful distributor. It doesn't come with the cap and everything, which I knew. I have a new rotor to put on there. I go to put the rotor on and there's not a hole drilled and tapped for the bolt that would normally go there. So, and this just slides on and off. I mean, it would fling off. There's nothing holding it on. There's no tension, no nothing. So for me, that's not a huge issue because I can take this out, I can put it in a vise and re-drill and re-tap it for the regular screw. Or I can just take this whole middle assembly out and swap it, and it's still well worth the money. But they didn't state that. This is a Cardone, is what they had listed, which I would believe because it's in the red, white, and blue remanufactured box. Import distributor. There's the part number. It's Mexico. OEM. And I have a feeling this is probably a lot. And this inspected by JV, I bet you there was an issue where they either didn't have a note for it or somebody forgot to drill all these. Something happened in the manufacturing process, and I'm pretty sure that's why these got sold for so cheap. Which I was aware of that because I figured $23 for a distributor, there's got to be something off with it. But it's not a big deal. Like I said, I can fix that, but for somebody who was, getting into that and didn't know that, they would be in quite a pickle if they didn't know, you run into this. If you didn't have another distributor to put this post in or didn't have a vise and tap set to re-drill and tap that post, you'd be up shit's creek. But just buying one of these, even for $23 with that defect, it's so worth it for just these sensors and everything, because usually you have to buy the whole distributor to get the sensors. So this is a very good deal, and if I had the money I would get like 4 of them. But just be wary when you buy your distributors. I saw a review on this one that stated that it didn't have that hole drilled, and I was like, that could be the whole lot, or that could be just that particular one. But either way, it's not a bad deal. I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to probably, for the time being, I'm just going to switch this middle piece out and use it as it is. I'll probably put this in a vise to drill it and tap it and put it in at a later date. But yeah, not bad for a $22 distributor, even with its defect.